I just put together this little table. It's going to live outside. And let me tell you, we had a table before that was all metal, was supposed to be, rust proof and all that jazz, and it wasn't. After 6 months, it was completely destroyed, got super dirty, got weathered down completely. Now this table not only looks great, I put together, like I said, I just put it together in a matter of a few minutes because the instructions are very easy. The bolting is very, very easy as well. It all comes into a flat box. Now, what I love about this is that it does look like a wooden table, but this is resin. This is not wood. Now, two things about not being wood. So, of course, you still have the look of wood. You still have that nice, sturdy fashion. It is extremely strong. Once you bolt it down, it's not going anywhere. Now, the other thing is obviously it's not going to weather down. Sun can go on this. It's not going to fade out. It can get rained. It's not going to chip like wood would. It's not going to rust like metal would. So that's my biggest thing. And as you can see, in the B-roll, it is going to live outdoors. It looks fantastic from all angles. I'm super happy with this one. And yeah, there's no going back.